Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in today's video we are going to do again the shadings from very light to dark, and this we'll be doing in 51 shades. And previously we have done from dark to light. Now we are going to do from very light to dark. So for this I'm making boxes of 1 centimeter. 51 boxes I'm making so that we can do different layers and shadings and make them very dark. So here I have mentioned the numbers so that will be easy for us, and we'll know how many we can make, and we can even make many more. We can even bring out many more shades in that. So for this, first on the top I have written from dark to light, and the bottom I'm going to write from light to dark. And for this I'm using 4B graphite pencil, and I'm using 200 GSM A5 size sketching book. So I have started coloring, I have started shading it using very minimal pressure holding it, and we'll do it very lightly. And for every box we'll be increasing just 1% of the pressure, and we'll be shading it and increasing the tone or medium of the shading, or the grades of the shading, I can say. If at all we want to do it little medium, we can just either directly give a little bit of pressure and do it medium shading, or we can just work on layers. We can just work first very light and then give 1 or 2 layers and make it medium. So until here I have made we are doing till medium, and now we'll increase a little bit of pressure and we'll do it we'll bring a little more darker shade in the medium by giving different layers. And in this way I have worked for each and every box. I have been increasing the pressure and shading, and I have done this. So this is how we are going to do the total shadings, and we are going to bring the darkest tone in shading by adding layers and giving a little bit pressure in the graphite pencil. So this is how we do it. I hope this video is very much informative. I hope you all liked it, and if you like it, please give a like, and if you are watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel for many more informative videos. Thank you. Happy drawing. Enjoy drawing. Bye bye. Take care.